As you can see, there was a lot of thunder in the sky. Thunder and lightning will always go to the nearest path. For example, it'll always try and go to the highest point, like a tree, a building, a human, or an animal. You can stay inside when there's a thunderstorm, because you could be electrified if you're in the open. Thunder can cause a lot of fire, and thunder is really warm. But you will be safe if you stay inside when a thunderstorm is happening. Like a building, a tree, an animal, or a person. When thunder happens, it's better to stay inside so you don't get electrified. It can cause a lot of fire as well, but there's no need to worry. If you stay inside, then you'll probably be okay.